How to create an account statement or invoice from a City Ledger folio posting in Carmen. Hi there! If your AR system in Carmen is integrated with the PMS system, you can easily import folios of debtors, such as City Ledger and credit card transactions, to record aging and generate invoices. Let me show you how it's done. Accessing the Invoice menu. Start by going to the Account Receivable menu. Next, select Invoice to open the Invoice Management screen. Creating an AR invoice from a folio. Click on the Add button at the top right corner to create a new AR invoice. The system will automatically generate a document number. Select the debtor code from the list. Set the invoice date to reflect when the invoice is issued. Enter a description as needed to specify the purpose of the invoice. Selecting a folio from the PMS system. Click the Select from Folio button to retrieve data from the PMS system. Choose the folio you want to generate an invoice for. If necessary, modify the amount for each folio, especially if a partial payment is required. Adjusting invoice details. If you need to modify any details before generating the invoice, choose the folio you want to generate an invoice for. If necessary, modify the amount for each folio, especially if a partial payment is required. Adjusting invoice details. If you need to modify any details before generating the invoice, click the pencil icon to edit the entry. Update any necessary fields such as amount, description, or references. Reviewing accounting entries. The system will retrieve accounting data from predefined settings. It is recommended to record all transactions under the Accounts Receivable category, as revenue and tax entries have already been posted in the general ledger through the daily revenue interface. Finalizing the invoice. After reviewing the information, click OK to confirm. Once everything is verified, click Save to store the invoice. Click OK again to finalize the invoice creation from the folio. Important note: invoices created from folios will not be posted into the General Ledger (GL) module. And that's it! Now you know how to generate an invoice from a PMS folio in Carmen, keeping your accounts receivable accurate and organized. Try it out and simplify your City Ledger management.